Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I'm going to check in for January paycheck number 1. I noticed that I made an error on my budget and I wanted to go over the missing bill and also go over with you my transaction log so far. Now, I just got paid on Friday and today is currently Sunday the 8th, but all of my bills for the most part have come out already, and so now's a good time to do a check-in. So what is the missing bill? Y'all, it's Netflix. Netflix came out today and I was like, what the heck? I was not expecting that, and so I need to add Netflix here. And that was $16.55. So that means for house savings, we're going to have $48.45. Let me see if I can do this without making a mess. So $48.45. I'll probably wipe that out later. But yeah, when I got the notification from my bank this morning, I was like, what the heck? Okay, so moving on to transaction log. So I've split this up a little bit. I have Etsy, YouTube, and my paycheck. Now from Etsy, I got income of $106.20. I thought I was completely out of the larger cellophane bags that I pack the envelopes in. And so I ordered them, but then I canceled the order because as I was looking through my supplies, I realized I had a brand new pack that I hadn't even opened. But as I was filling an order, I used the last of the label tape that I have. I had to insert the last cartridge, and that's not something that I want to get completely out of. So I did purchase a 4-pack for $16.02, so that leaves me with $90.18 that I am going to pay myself as income. All right, so YouTube doesn't get paid until, well, YouTube doesn't pay out until the 21st. So I still have a ways to go on that. But let's talk about the transaction log. So my beginning balance was $3.67, and that was correct. My paycheck was deposited. That was $1,500. That happened. My Roth IRA was transferred. That was $250. Now I have an ATM row here for $540, which is the total of, the cash envelopes and sinking funds and all that good stuff. But I haven't actually pulled the money out of the bank yet, so I'm not going to check that off just yet. My friend Lauren, I did pay her $25 to cover the shipping for those beautiful flowers that she made me, which I realize I don't have anything out right now. I did transfer my donations of $15, so that was done. Half of the rent was $310, and I did Cash App that, so that's out of my account. My daughter Carol Ann, she gets $80 a week for an allowance, and so that was a total of $160, and I did Cash App her that money. Then we have the electric bill. So I texted my daughter earlier today and asked her to let me know when the electric bill is due, and she said, well, for last month it's $192, so I Cash Apped her money. And what she meant to say was, for the previous month that we already paid, it was $192. We don't know yet what this month's electric bill is going to be, and I've already Cash Apped her that money. So I'm hoping that this is the reason why I'm not taking out the cash yet, because if this is more than $192, then I'm going to need to do some adjustments on my my ATM withdrawals. So I'm not going to check that off just yet. Netflix $16.55, that came out. My Etsy income is $90.18, and that is in my account. And I was going to pull out $80 even just because I'm doing the ATM and it doesn't spit out any other denominations of $80 of that $90.18, which would have left me with $5.30 in my account until my paycheck on the 19th. But again, because I'm not sure about the electric bill, I am going to wait to take out the ATM withdrawals. So I'll have to check back with you guys maybe at the end of the week to check in again and let you know how much that was. But let's talk about the no spend, because today is the 8th of January, and I have not spent a single penny, nothing, since the 1st of the month. Well, before the 1st of the month. So we're 8 days in. I haven't spent any money. I'm going to go to the bank tomorrow and get my cash, hopefully, if not Tuesday, to do like my cash envelope and sinking fund stuffing. And the only thing I need from the store is cat food and dog food, and that's it. I'm not buying any groceries. I don't need anything. I'm just eating from the pantry. So far, I mean, I know it's really early in the year, but I'm on day 8. So week number 1 of 2023 was a success, and I'm really proud of myself for staying on track this week. Yeah, I should have looked at my calendar before I did my budget, but it is what it is. So the electric bill, I should find that out tomorrow. The cleaning ladies are actually not coming on this day. They're going to come on Thursday the 12th, because my friend from Virginia is going to be here on the 14th, and she's going to stay through the 17th. So I want to make sure the house is clean before she gets here. So that is it for this check-in. I just wanted to let you know, where we were. But if I told Carol Ann that if the electric bill is less than $192, she could just keep the difference. It is not a big deal. That'll just give her a little bit of extra spending money. And so tomorrow, if that happens, and if it's less, then I'll go ahead and go to the ATM and pull out $5.40 and $80. So what is that? $6.20, I think. And so I'll do a video tomorrow of cash envelopes and sinking funds so that I can go to the store and grab the fur baby food. All right, guys, that's everything for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.